A warm welcome to all of you. Children, today we are going to learn the first chapter of your grammar textbook, and the name of the chapter is Alphabetical Order. Now, the word alphabet, all of us are aware about what it is. Alphabetical order means the order, the natural order that we follow, like A, B, C, D and so on, right? The alphabets are placed in a certain order. So, our lesson is based on alphabetical order. Alright, children? So, the order in which the alphabets are arranged is called the alphabetical order. All of us are aware, A, B, C, D, E and so on, how the alphabets fall and in which order the alphabets fall, right? Now, what is the prominence of this alphabetical order? In certain books like dictionaries, telephone directories and encyclopedias, names are mentioned in alphabetical order. Now, why is it so? Why are names placed in alphabetical order? In order to make it easier for us to identify the meaning of the words in dictionaries, right? We are dealing with dictionary now. So, in dictionaries, in order for us to find out the meanings of the words, for our convenience, the words are placed in alphabetical order. Same way in telephone directories, when we refer, like when we want to find out somebody's phone number, what do? We refer the telephone directories, but in that also the names of people would rather be according to the alphabetical order of the various names. Similarly, all of you will be having encyclopedias at home, right? There are many encyclopedias related to many topics like animals, about encyclopedia about animals, about birds, about geography, about science, right? There are many topics. You can find encyclopedias on many topics, and even in those encyclopedias, the name of each topic or whatever you find will be in alphabetical order. Okay? Now, we are basically dealing with dictionary since we are learning English, right? All of us, it's not possible for all of us to know the meaning of all the words around. So, when we have any doubt, what do? We refer to dictionaries, right? Dictionary provides us the meaning of different words, and that too according to the alphabetical order, right, children? Nowadays, you have Google search, various other search engines, network which would help you to find out the meanings of various words. But when internet was not that prominent, during those days, people used to refer the dictionaries, and even now we do have dictionaries at home, right, children? So, if you find any word that is new to you and if you want to find out the meaning of it, it is always handy. You can always refer the dictionary, but again there is a method. According to the alphabetical order, if a word starts with A, you have to check the page in which the alphabet A falls on, and similarly with the other words also. Okay, so here it is a book. A dictionary is actually a book that lists the words of a language in alphabetical order and gives their meaning, and also provides information about the word's pronunciation, the origin and its usage. So, it's not only meanings that you can find in a dictionary, right, children? You can find the pronunciation of the word, the way how you pronounce a word. If you check up in the dictionary, along with the meaning of the word, you can also find how the word is pronounced. Okay? So, the pronunciation would be mentioned in the dictionary, and also the origin of the word. Every word has an origin, that is from where the word is formed. So, that information also you can get from your dictionary. And also the usage, that is how to use a word properly. That is also mentioned in the dictionary. So, don't you think dictionary is something, a book that is very useful? So, when you are learning your literature, when you have your dictionary by your side, and if you have any doubts regarding any word, instead of asking somebody else, you can check it up yourself. You can check the meaning of the word. And if you want to know how the word is used in a sentence also, you can get the information from a dictionary. And as all of you know, nowadays there are many latest search engines. As you know, the internet is very much prominent, and in Google you can find how to pronounce any word actually. Right? That is technology. Technology is much advanced now, but nonetheless dictionaries have their prominence even now. Okay, so it is actually a book that tells you or gives you the meaning of different words. Not only meanings, it also provides you information like how to pronounce a word, the origin of the word, from where the word is formed, and its usage. Okay, I hope you understood that. Alright, since we are dealing with words and what their meanings are, see, a dictionary is a book that helps you find those meanings, right? So, I'll give you a small task. I hope all of you would do this kind of seriously. So, find the meanings of the following words. I've given you some words over here. You are supposed to find out the meanings of these words. Okay, children, from the dictionary. And also you can find out the origin of the word or how to use the word. Any extra information which is given in the dictionary about the word, you can find out. Okay, so at least the meanings I want you to find out. The meaning of the word, first word given here is astonishment. Astonishment. Okay, so you find out the meaning of this word from the dictionary, and the second word is charming. Third word over here is magnificent. And fourth word is obligation. Alright? So there are 4 words given here. First word astonishment. Second word is charming. Third word is magnificent. And fourth word is obligation. So I want you to find out the meanings of these words from your dictionaries. Alright? This is a task that I would like to give you. Okay. And now coming back to our textual lessons, children, there are many fun activities given in the first chapter. There is nothing, see, you can do your individual work. Alright. So the first exercise over here. What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to write in alphabetical order the names of any 4 given over here. See, the first one given here is friends. I have done 2 for you. So the first one over here is friends. I have written here Anna, Bobby, Donna and Karan. I have written it according to the alphabetical order, but you can write the name of your friends, right children? But then make sure that you write it in alphabetical order. You are supposed to write it in alphabetical order. So friends I have written here Anna, Bobby, Donna and Karan. And what the second word over here is colors. So again colors I have mentioned according to the alphabets. So blue, orange, purple and red. Whichever colors you like, you can write it, provided you write it in the alphabetical order. Similarly, the next word, that is animals, that you are supposed to write it, children, and countries. The next word, you can write the name of countries, but then in the alphabetical order. Similarly, animals also. So you are going to do these exercises, alright? And like I told you, there are simple activities, fun activities which you can do. Exercise B, there are a set of words given there. You have to write it in the alphabetical order. Okay, from your text you can mark it according to the way the alphabets are placed. According to the right alphabetical order, in exercise B you can mark it. Alright, and then you have exercise C and exercise D. More of a fun riddle sort of an activity which you will be doing by yourself. Alright children, so let's once again just go through whatever we had learnt. So, The order in which the alphabets are arranged is called the alphabetical order. And all of us know what the alphabetical order is. And you can find names according to the alphabetical order in dictionaries, telephone directories and encyclopedias where names are written according to the alphabetical order for us to find the meanings or find the names in a much more easier manner. And we have mentioned here dictionary, the meaning of the word, the book that lists the words of a language in alphabetical order and gives their meanings and also provide information about the pronunciation, the origin and the usage of the word. Okay, so it is not just the meanings that you can find in the dictionary, you can find the word, the pronunciation, how the word is pronounced and what is the origin of the word or how the word is formed, and also you can find information regarding how to use the word, regarding how the word is used, the usage of the word. Okay, this is a very handy book which you can always look back to when you have any doubts regarding any word that you are learning. Okay, and then I told you, you have to find out the meanings of the following words, that is astonishment, charming, magnificent and obligation. So this is your homework which you should be doing. Just find out the names from the dictionary. Okay. And then we have to do our textual exercises. Exercise A, where you have to write the names according to the order of the alphabets. Okay, you have friends to write. You can write the names of your friends. Your own friends you can write. Then you can write colors, whatever colors you prefer according to your liking. You are going to write it. Animals, again you can write your favorite animals, the names of your favorite animals, but then according to the alphabetical order. Same way countries, whichever country you prefer, you can write it, but then you have to maintain the order of the alphabets. Similarly, you have exercise B, exercise C and exercise D. You are going to do it, right children? And I hope you have understood this lesson, and I want you to do the homework, whatever is mentioned. Alright children, I hope you understood what it is, what a dictionary is and what is alphabetical order. You can find words in alphabetical order, especially in dictionaries and also in encyclopedias and telephone directories, right? But then we are dealing with dictionaries because, as you know, we are learning English, right? So if you want to know the meaning of any words, you can always check up the dictionary, because words are given there for our convenience, for us to find out the meanings with less effort. Right children? I hope to see you in the next class. Thank you children.